There's a difference between the A-level reader and then the C and D level readers in English. What's the difference? Okay, annotations, finding ways to identify things after they've read it without having to spend extra effort, right? Because one of the things on this test is you only have so much time. If you run out of time, you can't go back, and you know yourself the best. How many times do you usually have to read a passage before you truly understand it in this SAT type of stuff? 2 to 3 times, okay? Now, when I look at your work and I look at a page, if it's too clean and too blank, what does that mean? It means that you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time rereading stuff. Not only do you need to be able to identify where important people are, there's always a main character or a main name that you need to be able to draw your eyes to. Then there's also the additional lines that are shown up on the side. Don't you notice that in every question they have specific places they want you to look? And let me tell you this, they're not going to give you stuff on this test that is 100% personal experience, okay? Because I wouldn't be able to get the same multiple choice answer from all my students if you all have your own experiences and different answers to give me. Everything has to be directly from the text and directly from what has been said, but you need to be able to comprehend. That's reading comprehension, that's what this is. Understanding what we're trying to say, okay? Couple strategies that help you avoid wasting time. The very first thing is making sure that you browse through your questions and very quickly jot down or highlight the lines on the side. That makes sense? So you go see that numbers 1, 2, and 3 have to deal with lines number 6, 33, and 47. So you go to those lines and you circle those lines, or you highlight on the side, put a star next to those lines before you even start reading. That needs to be again, it's the process that needs to be implemented for everything, instead of oh yeah, I remember I needed to do this halfway through the test. Text by text. Okay. So finish your text and then move on to the next one. Do the process of the lines. Do the process of, and then what you have to remember is that this is a process of elimination to find the right answer, not a process of just go find the right answer. What does that mean? That means on your answer side, what should happen is on your answers, there should be specific words in your answers that are crossed out, and then you should be crossing out A, B, C, or the letters of those as you go, so that there's a direct, distinct final answer. Okay? What are some reasons that your answer could be incorrect? I like to look at it as like from a logical, mathematical standpoint. If there's 5 words in each answer, right? A, B, C, D, E, 5 words, 5 words, 5 words, 5 words, okay? Each word is worth 20%. They're gonna purposely pick one of the high, extensive or hard vocabulary words. They're gonna match it up to C or B, right? And then 3 of the other words will be correct, but then 1 of the words will make it completely incorrect. It'll be the wrong person. It'll say the inverse. It'll say it's not the right one, or etc., right? They'll purposely find something else in there that makes that one statement untrue because of that one word. So it's your job to go through each of the answers and figure out which one is giving you the wrong choice. And then find out from there, eliminate to find the right one.